This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the right gear first. A TV that advertises HDR10 and an HDMI 2. 0/2. One path plus the PS5 supplied cable or equivalent. Start by plugging PS5 into the TV's main HDMI port. This ensures full bandwidth. Once connected, switch your TV to game mode and set the HDMI input to use full color and highest bit depth. Doing this now prevents automatic downscaling and ensures the console can detect HDR capabilities correctly before you change console settings. On the PS5, go to Settings, then Screen and Video. You'll guide detection. Set resolution to 4K if your TV supports it, choose RGB range to full to avoid washed blacks, and select higher bit depth or 10-bit when offered. This matches the TV pipeline. Next, toggle HDR to automatic so the console negotiates HDR with the display. Once done, run the built-in HDR calibration. It walks you through brightness and peak luminance, so HDR images render with correct shadow detail and highlights. After calibration, test using an HDR-enabled game or demo to confirm punchy highlights and preserved shadows. If the picture looks dim, oversaturated, or flickers, make sure the PS5 is on the TV's primary HDMI port, that the cable is rated to 0/2. 1, and that the TV's HDR and game mode are enabled. If problems persist, reset PS5 video output or update your TV firmware. These fixes resolve negotiation errors and ensure stable HDR signaling between devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.